Hi, this is Gary, and today I have the Fitbit Alta HR, and I'm gonna do unboxing before I do a full review. But for now, let's see what's in the box. So, there's a pull tab, as you can see there. So it makes opening the box up a lot easier. Oops, I ripped the, what do you call this, the yeah, that. Okay, so anyway, this is large and it's in black. So there's a sizing guide here, so you stick your wrist up and see what size you are. So I'm on large. So once you have this open, barcode, I remember. So once you have this open, okay, then stick that there. The box easily slides in and out. So see there. Oh, first of all, there are things here. So it says you should get motivated, measures exercise, customize your way, etc. Long battery life. But for me, the most important thing for this Fitbit is this one. It measures your heart rate. So yeah, that's very important for me. Okay, so let's open this up. Alright, so it's a very nice blue-green package. You can see from that. And there you go. So inside you have the device itself. Right, so this is a proper wristband, okay, not like this where there are notches. There's a metal notch and you push it through the hole, but this is a proper wristband, as I've said. Okay, more things inside the box. So you have the setup guide. Okay, so let's open this up. I wish Fitbit will include stickers in their package also. So yeah, so setup it. Oop, nothing written here. Oh, it's on the other side. Okay, so it's here on the other side. So then yeah, so anyway, and inside the pocket you get the proprietary charger. I don't know if this is compatible with the previous Alta, but knowing Fitbit's history, this might be proprietary to Alta HR also. So this might not work to the other, the previous Alta version. Anyway, so this is the device. It comes in black. I would have preferred the blue one, but since the band is swappable, you can just oh, I don't know how to do this. I got to read the manual first. But anyway, so this is the Fitbit Flex, and as you can see, they are almost the same width. But yeah, they are almost the same width. But this is thicker because of the heart rate monitor. But if you compare that to the Apple Watch, then they are almost the same thickness, but as you can see, this is much narrower than the Apple Watch. Alright, so that's the first look. uh, I'm gonna test it out. I'm gonna put it through its paces, and I'll let you know if I like it or not. But it's a Fitbit. I definitely will like it. Okay, so see you. This is Gary, the apologist. Peace.